Changing your password on AliExpress is a straightforward process that can help secure your account. Follow these steps to update your password easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the AliExpress website or open the app and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select security settings. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled security settings or account security. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Choose change password. Within the security settings, find and select the option to change your password. You may be prompted to enter your current password for verification. Step 5. Enter new password. Input your new password and confirm it by typing it again. Make sure your new password meets the required criteria, then save the changes. After completing these steps, your password will be updated. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider changing it regularly for added security.